It goes in favor of the company to the extent of how much money? 32,500. 200 of Kavita has been cancelled out. That has been forfeited. Cancellation of share. This money will be utilized when there is a shortage of fund. Hello everybody. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Grade College, a temple of excellence, Mysore. I am handling financial accounting for third semester BBA. The chapter name is Issue of Shares of a Joint Stock Company. So this is one of the third semester BBA, is one of the fundamental and very important basic concepts we are going to receive. In the previous session, I told what is share capital. Share is a part of share capital. Share can be issued in two ways: share at a par, share at a premium, share at a discount. Generally, we won't get the problem at par, at a premium. What's the entry? Share allotment account data to share capital account. If there is a premium, share allotment account data to share capital to share premium. If excess application money comes, over subscription we say. If we receive more application, it is called over subscription. If we receive less application, it is called under subscription. So the 8 entry follows now. Bank account data to share application account account data to share capital account, due entry for allotment, share allotment account data to share capital to share premium to receiving entry, bank account data to share allotment account, due entry for first call, share first call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share first call account, final call, share final call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share final call account. For feature 3 entries, share capital account data, 2 for feature shares account, 2 arrears account, reissue entry, bank account data, for feature share account data to share capital, the excess money goes to capital reserve. The entry goes like this: for feature shares account data to capital reserve. Now, this entry will go with the problem. We'll move on to the problem. The problem says, Janani Corporate Limited offer the public subscription 10,000 equity share of ₹100 each at a premium of ₹20 per share as under. What's the real money? 100. But they issue at a premium of 20, means ₹120 per share. Though they have to pay 25 on application, 50 on allotment, 25 on first call, then 20 on final call. So they have to pay 25 on application, 50 on allotment, then 25 on the first call, 20 on the final call. They says the premium. If the problem does not mention where the premium is there, generally it is on allotment. So how much money you got? 50. Out of 50, 30 is the real money, 20 is the premium. That you have to understand. In allotment account, what's the total money? 50. In that, real money is 30, premium is 20, 25 on first call, 20 on final call. Company received 12,000 application. Actually, we require 10,000 share, 10,000 application. We received how many application? 12,000 application. How many application more? 2,000 would have been rejected, but the shares were allotted on pro rata basis to the applicants of 11,000 share. That means they have rejected only 1,000 share, but they accepted how much? 11,000 application for 10,000 share, which is considered as pro rata adjustment, pro rata allotment. Then the money was refunded, 1,000 application money was refunded. Balance of another balance of 1,000 application is there. No application money was utilized towards a due on allotment. That's already credited to allotment account to the extent of 1,000 into 25. Kumuda, to whom 300 shares were allotted, fails to pay the 2 call. She fails to pay the first call. She fails to pay the final call. How much already paid? 25 on application, 50 on allotment. While doing the forfeiture, don't take the premium into consideration. So if we go with the real money, 25 plus 30 mean 55 is already paid. Then Another girl, Kavita, who holds how many share? 200 share, fails to pay the final call only. Means he paid application, he paid allotment, he paid the first call, but fails to pay the final call. All the shares were forfeited and reissued at what rate? To Lakshmi at rupees 80. So it is one of the typical problem that is going to ask in the examination point of view. So here all the shares are forfeited and reissued another girl, Lakshmi, at what rate? At rupees 80. So here two candidates have failed. One Kumuda, who holds 300 share, fails to pay the first call, fails to pay the final call. Another girl holds how many share? 200 share, fails to pay the final call. I will show in the working note how this will be worked out now. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the company and prepare the balance sheet. If we go with the working note now, if we will go to the working note, say like this, shares is to applications. First, shares is to application. How many shares are there? 10,000 shares are there. How many application received? 12,000 application we received. For how many share? For 10,000 share, we received 12,000 application. Out of that, 1,000 application rejected. And money refunded here. Money refunded. So, how many shares are there? 10,000 shares are there. How many application received? 12,000 application received. Out of that, how much rejected? 1,000. Money have been refunded. How much left over now? 10,000 share. Here, 11,000 application. How much left over? 10,000 share, 11,000 application. This is called pro rata. If we cancel 30, they are in the ratio of 10:11, which is considered as pro rata. Proportionately accepted. What do you mean that? No? For every 10 share, he has to apply 11 application. Now the question arises, if you apply 1 share, are they going to pay? No. Minimum 10 share he has to pay. Then he has to take only 20 share, 22 application. Then 30 share, 33 application. For 10, 11, 22, not less than 10 share. This is called pro rata adjustment. For every 10 share, he has to apply how many application? 11 application. This is called pro rata adjustment. I think you follow. So 1,000 is rejected. You accepted 10:11. Then this is called pro rata adjustment. First girl, Kumuda, holds 300 shares. He fails to pay the first call, he fails to pay the final call. How much already paid? 25 on application, 30 on allotment. Leave the premium, 30 on allotment. How much already paid? 55 rupees. On how many share? 300 shares. He holds 300 shares. So he already paid how much? 16,500 he paid. Regarding the another girl, Kavita, holds 200 shares. Now, he paid application, he paid allotment, he paid the first call. He paid application 25, he paid allotment 30, he paid first call 25. Means how much already paid? 80 rupees. On how many share? 200 shares. Total how much he paid? 16,000 paid. This girl paid how much money? 16,500. This girl paid how much money? 16,000. Totally 32,500 you already received. So it goes in favor of the company to the extent of how much money? 32,500. This is from first lady 16,500. For the second lady, how much you got? 16,000. Totally how much you are going to receive? 32,500 have been cancelled out. This goes in favor of the company because this girl fails in the first call and the final call, means he paid application and allotment account, fails to pay the first call and the fire. You may ask the question why the premium is not taken into consideration. If he fails to pay the allotment money only, which includes the premium, then only we taken into consideration. Because he already paid the allotment money means he already paid the premium. That's why premium will not be considered. So he fails to pay the first call. He fails to pay the final call, whereas this already paid. What he has paid, application fees he has paid. 30 on allotment, how much already paid? 16,500 he paid. This lady paid how much? 16,000. Totally we received 32,500. Thus goes in favor of the company. Now we'll go in detail the journal entry. First on application, then on allotment, then on first call, then on final call. We go slowly. First entry, bank account data to share application account. How many application received? 12,000 application we received. What's your application fees? 25 rupees. What's the entry? Bank account data 12,025 is 3 lakh. To share application account 3 lakh. We received 3 lakh. Second entry, share application account data 3 lakh. 3 lakh. Actually require 10,000 into 25. This is 2,50,000 goes in favor of the capital. Then how much refunded? 1,000 into 25. Excellent. 25,000 is refunded. How much goes in favor of allotment? 1,000 into 25. I will repeat. Totally we received how much? 3 lakh. Out of that actually you require 2,50,000. How much goes in favor of allotment? 25,000. How much money have been refunded? Another 25,000 refunded. I think this money goes refunded. This money given to the particular candidate. This is already adjusted to allotment account. Then we'll go to due entry on allotment account. The due entry goes share allotment account data to share capital to share premium. So your allotment money 10,000 share of rupees 50. 10,000 share of rupees 50. We have to receive 5 lakh, but you require for the share capital 10,000 into 30 real money. 10,000 30 is 3 lakh. Your premium is 10,000 into 20. So what's the total money due? 5 lakh. Actually kept for the sake of capital we require 3 lakh. How much premium? Excess premium is there? 2 lakh. So totally how much they have to pay? 5 lakh. Next entry, bank account data to share. This is receiving entry. Actually you have to receive 5 lakh. Already in application how much you already received? 25,000. What's the balance? 4,75,000 is credited to account. This is paid by all the members. 4,75,000. 25,000 is already adjusted in the application because you receive for 10,000 share, 11,000 application. How many application more? 1,000. 1,025 is 25,000 is already adjusted. Then goes to due entry for the first call. What's a due entry? Share first call account data to share capital account. How many shares are there? 10,000 into 25. 25,000. This is 2,50,000 you have to receive. Now, who fails to pay? Only Kumuda fails to pay the first. This is a due entry from all the members. Who fails to pay? Kumuda fails to pay. How many shares he hold? 300. What is the first call money due? 25. It works out 7,500. She fails to pay. Actually, we have to receive 2,50,000. How much money you could not receive? 7,500. You have to receive 2,50,000. How much you could not receive from Kumuda? 7,500. What's the balance? 2,42,500. We are going to receive. This is received entry. Now, I think you have to receive how much? 2,50,000. How much already received? 25,000. How much he fails to pay? 7,500 he fails to pay. Remaining members have been paid. How much money? 2,42,500. Then we go to final call. Share final call account data to share capital. It's a due entry. 10,000 into 20. They have to pay how much? 2 lakh on final call. A chance always given installment. After application, 1 month will be given for the allotment account, 1 month will be given to the first call, or 1 or 2 months will be given to the final call, so that the people should become the shareholder. What's the money to be paid? 2 lakh rupees on the final call. Now, in the final call, both the parties fail. Who is failed? Kumuda also failed, whereas Kavita also failed. So, entry, bank account debtor. Now, who has failed? Kumuda failed. Totally, we have to receive how much money? 2 lakh minus. Who fails to pay? Kumuda fails to pay 300 share, whereas Kavita 200, totally 500 into 20, it works out 10,000. Actually, we have to receive 2 lakh. How much you could not receive? 10,000. What's the balance you are going to receive? 1,90,000. Leaving these two candidates, other members have paid 1,90,000. Who fails to pay? Kumuda fails to pay. Kavita fails to pay. Then, now, how many shares were cancelled out? We say 500 shares were cancelled out. So, 300 of Kumuda, 200 of Kavita has been cancelled out. That has been forfeited. Cancellation of share. This is the entry for cancellation. Share capital account debtor, 500 share of rupees 10 each. It is 50,000 we have to receive. And already received how much money? 32,500. That is 16,500 of Kumuda, 16,000 of Kavita. Totally we received 32,500. That has been shown in the working now. Now, Kumuda fails to pay the first call. On how many share? 300 into 25, 7,500 she fails to pay. Whereas in the final call, both have failed. 500 into 20, 10,000, both the parties fail. This is failed by Kumuda. Both the parties have been failed. How much already received? 32,500. Thus goes in favor of the company. It can be reissued to another party called Lakshmi at rupees 80. Entry for issue. Bank account debtor 500 into 80. We received. How much you could not receive? 500 into 20. So we received how much money? 40,000. How much you could not receive? 10,000 we could not receive. For how much money? 50,000. So reissue would have been done at rupees 100, made at rupees 80. We received how much money? 40,000. How much you could not receive? 10,000. Now, the excess money goes to capital reserve. First you have got how much money excess credit entry? 32,500. How much debit entry? 10,000. So the difference is 22,500. That goes to capital reserve. Because of the forfeiture, why the capital reserve have been? Do it now? Because of the forfeiture, the existence of capital reserve has been came into field. First, you receive, I think no, if you go back now, you can understand. You got how much money? 32,500 is there now. You already received 32,500. Here 40,000, 32 plus 40 is how much? 72,500. Actually require 50,000. How much more? 22,500. You can go that also. The another way, no? The credit entry is 32,500. What's the debit entry? 10,000. How much excess is there? 22,500. That goes to the capital reserve. That money can be utilized when there is a shortage of fund. Now, we are going to prepare the balance sheet under vertical column. Before preparing the balance sheet, you have to prepare the bank account. How bank account is prepared? You receive an application 3 lakh, on allotment 4,75,000. On the first call, you have got 2,42,500. On the final call, you are going to receive 1,90,000. By forfeiting the share, you got how much money? 40,000. This is receiving entry on application, on allotment, on first call, on final call, forfeited and reissued. And how much money have been paid back? 25,000. How much left over? 12,22,500. If you go back now, you can understand how the money has come. See that. Bank account data, how much you receive? 3 lakh. This will come on the debit. Only see the bank account only. Only the bank account. You have to say that. How much you receive? 3 lakh. If you go to next one, bank account, how much you receive? 4,75,000 on allotment. Remember, first 3 lakh. allotment 4,75,000. If you go to next one, bank account, how much you receive? 2,42,500 on the first call. Then we go next one, bank account, how much you receive? 1,90,000 you receive. Final call is considered. Then for feature, what's a bank account? You got the 40,000. So all the bank account has been taken into consideration. See the, you on application, how much money? 3 lakh, allotment 4,75,000, first call 2,42,500. We receive on the final call 1,90,000. For feet and reach, how much money? 40. Totally, how much you are having? 12,47,500. Out of that, how much have been returned? 1,025,000 has been written to the particular applicant. How much left over? 12,22,500. That is the cash at bank. So that will be shown in the balance sheet. If we see the balance sheet, you have got a sources. Number one, equity share capital 10,100 is 10 lakh we received. Reserve and surplus. In the equity share payment, we have got 2 lakh. At the last entry, 22,500. What is the total amount comes? 12,22,500. Same should be available in application. That is the asset. In application, current asset. What's your cash at bank amount? 12,22,500. This should be tally. If it is not tally, some may a wrong entry has been passed. What's the total amount? 12,22,500. Same is available in the cash at bank. 12,22,500 is there. So this is the source. This is the application. Here you go one by one. So first for application, bank account data to share application account. Second entry, share application account data to share capital, to share allotment, to bank account which have been refunded. Then due entry for allotment, share allotment account data, to share capital account, to share premium account is a due entry. When you receive the money, bank account data to share allotment account, how much money already credited? No, in the previous no, already credited. How much is there? Here 25,000 is there credited to allotment account. Out of 5 lakh, how much you could not receive? 25,000. What's the balance you are going to receive? 4,75,000. We'll move on to next entry, due entry. Share first call account data to share capital account. We have to receive 2,50,000 only. But Kumuda fails to pay the first call on how many share? 300 share. 300 into 25, 7,500. She fails to pay. Actually, you have to receive 2,50,000. She fails to pay 7,500. So we receive only 2,42,500 only. Then due entry for final call. Share final call account data to share capital account. All the party has to pay how much money? 2 lakh. We'll move on to next entry. Bank account data to share file. Who fails to pay? Kumuda fails to pay 300 share. Kavita fails to pay 200 share. Total how many shares are there? 520 is 10,000 in work out. 2 lakh minus 10,000 is 1 lakh. 90,000 which you are going to receive. Now, you are going to cancel the share as a for feature. Entry for feature. Share capital account data. 2 for feature share account. 2 arrears account. The entry goes share capital account data 50,000. How much already we received? 32,500. 16,500 from Kumuda. 16,000 from Kavita. How much you received? 32,500. Then on the first call, you could not receive 7,500 by Kumuda. In the final call, both the parties have been included. 520 fails to pay 10,000. Then reissued to Lakshmi at what rate? 80 rupees. How much you receive? 40,000. How much you could not receive? 10,000. For rupees 50,000. So you could not receive how much? 10,000. That is that side credit entry is 32,500. Here debit entry is 10,000. What's the balance? 22,500. That can also do that. We receive 32,500. Next we receive how much? 40,000. 72,500. Actually require 50,000. How much goes? 22,500. This time also do. First way 32,500 for feature credit entry. For feature debit entry is 10,000. Difference is how much? 22,500. If you go with the cash now, first how much you receive? 32,500. Next, how much you receive? 40,000. Totally we receive 72,500. Actually require 50,000. 22,500 goes in favor of the capital reserve. The excess money will be credited to capital reserve. This money will be utilized when there is a shortage of fund. Then, when you prepare the bank account, we receive an application, receive an allotment, receive on the first call, receive on the final call, receive forfeited, receive on the share capital. Totally, how much you receive? 12,47,500. How much refunded? 25,000. How much left over? 12,22,500. That's a cash at bank. At the end, balance carry. This is your cash at bank. Now we go with the balance sheet vertical column. We got 10,000 share of 100 each, 10 lakh, reserve and surplus, equity share premium is 2 lakh. At last entry, your capital reserve is 22,500. Total sources is how much? 12 lakh, 22,500. Your cash at bank shows how much money? 12 lakh, 22,500. So it will tally means we have done the problem correctly. The sources should be equal to application. I have explained detailedly what is a share, what is the share application, what is the share allotment. If the share application money adjusted to allotment account, excess money goes refunded. What's the common entry? Bank account data to share application account, then share application account data to share capital, to share allotment, to bank account. So this excess entry you have got, others are common entry. What are the 8 entries common? Bank account data to share application to share capital. If there is a premium, share allotment account data to share capital account. By chance, if there is any excess money, bank account data to share application account data to share capital, to share premium entry, or application money adjusted. How to do? Bank account data to share application account data to share capital, to bank account, to share allotment account. What's the due entry for allotment? Share allotment account data to share capital, to share premium. When you receive the money, bank account data to share allotment account. What's the due entry for first call? Share first call account data to share capital account. When you receive the money, bank account data to share first call account. Same thing goes to final call. Share final call account data to share capital account, bank account data to share final call account. When the shares are forfeited, what's the entry? Share capital account data to forfeited shares account, arrears account. Arrears may be first call or final call. Arrears may be allotment account, first call and final call. Reissue entry at par or at a discount entry. Reissue entry, bank account data, forfeited share account data to share capital. By chance, same will have been issued at par, bank account data to share capital account. If it is issued at a premium, bank account data to share capital to share premium. The excess money will be transferred to capital reserve. Entry goes forfeited shares account data to capital reserve account. What is capital reserve? The excess money has been kept as a reserve. If there is any shortage of fund, this money will be utilized. We solved a good problem. I think you understand this problem. I think so. This session you understand this problem. We have gone through in the previous session also. What is a share? Types of share, how to make the entry, everything you know. Which types of share is there, preference share and the equal share, how to pass the 8 entries, what is for feature, what is ratio. All have been included in this problem. We solved a good problem. I think you understand that. We'll have a good problem in the next session. And next session contain a problem of standard. So we are going to solve entry for issue of share, then excess application money adjusted, pro rata basis for feature and reissue and balance sheet with the help of the vertical column only. I think you have followed what is a share capital, share allotment, first call and final call, types of share. What is a share? I told you, share is a part of share capital or the capital of a joint stock company has been divided into number of units. Each unit is called a share. Share can be issued in 3 ways. Share at a par, share at a premium, share at a discount. Same value, share at a par, higher value, share at a premium, lower value, share at a discount. We have got types of share. There are 2 types of share. One is equity share and the preference share. So equity shareholders are permanent shareholder, whereas a preference shareholder or the temporary shareholder, their money will be paid back after a stipulated time with dividend. All have been discussed in the previous session. In this session, we discuss the problem very, very detailedly, how to pass the entry for 8 entry, then for feature entry, reissue entry, how to prepare the bank account, how to prepare the balance sheet in the vertical column. I think I have explained in detail. You have followed that. If you have a doubt, you can ask me a question in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next session.